Guys, in front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and let me show you how to use codes on this device. So at first open your phone together. Now enroll keypad, and here you can smoothly use all the codes that you have. Let me show you just some of them. The first one, the shortest one and pretty well known, is *#06#. And as you can see, this one will show you all device information. So whenever you need to check email, EID or serial number, just provide this code and within a couple of seconds it will be displayed right in front of you. Another code that you can use here is *##225 ###. And here we've got the calendar info, so this is the way that you can quickly check all upcoming events that are stored in every calendar that is connected with this TCL. And let me show you one more. It's *#426 ###. And here we've got the FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. Tap on more and mark advanced view to see a bit more. So this is it. Then use all the codes that you have, just provide them on your keypad and enroll secret panels. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.